gone for a movie and you had only 1,200 rupees and each ticket price is, so you can just write, yes, I have 1,200 rupees and each ticket is of 200 rupees each and you have 4 friends. So maybe 3 friends and you. So that's like total. Yeah, total 4 people. 3 friends. Okay. So calculate.
Yes.
You can just put calculate the total ticket price because that anyways you'll need it. Calculate the total ticket price. Second, in this only, calculate the amount left with you after the purchase. So this is a minus subtraction. Okay. Calculate the amount left with you. And third, the amount you will distribute among your friends. Yes. So plus, minus, and division. Now do it.
Got.
So this is like theme based only. Okay.
Okay. So I have a 1,200 rupee each ticket. Calculate the total ticket price. Okay. So I think it's gonna be ticket price.
Yes, we'll start with input, price of ticket, and so on. We can say.
Total ticket price. Price of ticket. So I have to calculate total price. So I have to put this 4 times, right? I got 4 friends.
Yes.
So
Yeah, so you can put TJ into 4, right? Below. Yes. Total
this
TJ equal to TJ into 4 because you are only 4 people, right? There is no number of people. No more people are joining, right? So see multiplication as well.
Oh, okay.
Now print.
That's
Yes. Or you can write TJ1, TJ2, TJ, TJ, TJ 4 times. So either do it this way or that way. Print. The total amount is, so that you have the clarity. You can write it as well. The total ticket cost is yes. Okay. So price of ticket was 200, right? 800. Now money left with you. So what will you do?
okay.
Amount left with me.
Equal to total. So I brought 1,200, right? So
Yes.
okay.
1,200 minus
That's
total TJ. Real, sorry. And then print. Put there. Like the way you've written total ticket cost is, same way you put the amount left is like that in the print statement.
Yes.
Yeah. So it will give you clarity ki whatever questions were asked at the top, I have answered them. Because today you remember, but after 10 days when you see, you will find ki, oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
right? Okay.
Yes.
Now the last question. Calculate the
Okay,
amount
question.
which has to be distributed among friends. So you're left with now 400. Now out of 400, you have to divide. Now you know logically ki each one will get 100 rupees. But how will you implement it using Python? Right? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Although I mean it has taken the slash, but generally it takes either percentage or two forward slash. I mean, when you are writing in Python, it has to be a percentage or double forward. This is
Oh,
simple maths.
okay.
Okay. Although it has taken it, but that's fine. Okay.
Ma'am.
So Python, always remember, like you are doing coding, so you have to talk in Python language. It has done simple mathematics. That's why it took that value,
One.
the division
Yeah.
there. Yeah. Anyways. Okay, so you want to try with forward slash, two forward slash. It will give you question or remainder. Let's see. Your answer is answered or not. Yes. Okay.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
this way you can frame many theme-based questions and move around. Okay.